Welcome to eVision Hub. In this video, we are going to talk about the factors that decide the low light performance of a camera. Let us first understand what low light performance is. Low light performance is the ability of a camera to produce clear and sharp images even in low light conditions by preserving details and reducing noise in the output image. The factors that contribute to the low light performance of a camera are pixel size, signal to noise ratio, lens aperture, and sensitivity. Let us look at each of these in detail. Pixel size is the physical dimension of a single pixel in an image sensor. Pixels are square wells that collect photons, and pixel size refers to the dimension of this square well. Pixel size in image sensors that come with low light capability is typically 3 micrometer or larger. The bigger the well, higher the number of photons collected, and better would be the performance of the camera in a low light environment. Let us now look at the second factor that determines the low light performance of a camera, which is signal to noise ratio or SNR. SNR in simple terms refers to the ratio of the quantity of signal or valid image data to the noise or invalid image data. A higher SNR indicates lesser noise. A low light camera comes with the ability to reduce noise components to achieve high SNR, thereby producing good quality images. Coming to lens aperture. Lens aperture determines the amount of light that falls on the image sensor. To capture images in low light conditions, a larger lens aperture is recommended, allowing more photons to reach the sensor. Let us now look at the fourth factor, sensitivity. Sensitivity is an indicator of the ability of an image sensor to convert the incident photon energy to electrical signals. Cameras with high sensitivity allow efficient conversion of low light images into quality output, making it an inevitable feature for low light performance. Hope you got an understanding about low light performance and the factors that determine the low light performance of a camera. Econ Systems, with its 18 years of experience and expertise in embedded vision, offers a wide range of low-light cameras. If you have any queries around low-light cameras or low-light performance in general, please write to us at camerasolutions@econsystems.com, and our camera experts will be happy to help you. Thank you.